Hey everybody, today we're going to try Sweetwood Cattle Company Fatty Jalapeno Flavored Hickory Smoked Meat Stick. And this is obviously this is the front and the ingredients and nutrition facts. I hope that's new nutrition fact. Yeah, it is. Unfortunately, it looks like it's really small. So we'll go in with the flashlight and hope for the best. Okay. Serving size 2 ounces. Amount per servings, and it doesn't say. So we're going to assume 1. Total, let's see here. Fat calories 70. Total fat 8 grams. Saturated fat 2.5 grams. Cholesterol 40 milligrams. Ooh. Sodium 720 milligrams. That is huge. Total carbohydrates 2 grams. Protein 12 grams. And then the traditional 4 vitamins and minerals. I'm not sure how. Usually they don't include calcium in such a thing. Alright. Once again, Sweetwood Cattle Company Fatty Jalapeno Flavored Hickory Smoked Meat Stick. And on the back, that's how big that stick is. It's huge. Alright, we'll open her up here and see how it is. Right, there's a cross section. That's, we got off easy that way. They always do a cross section, as they probably do huge lengths, and then they cut it according to their required size. And obviously, it looks like a gigantic. It's been a long time. It looks like a gigantic Slim Jim. There we go. Let's give it a shot. I'm searching for the jalapeno flavor. The only thing I'm getting is basically the fact that it's a giant Slim Jim. It tastes just like one. There's absolutely, from my point, because I'm chewing on it, that I don't get that jalapeno taste. So it may, I don't know if it's just simple. Okay, there might be some bits and pieces of jalapeno, but I'm not really getting that flavor. What I'm getting is just the Slim Jim style and just a little bit of heat. So it may have been an infusion of jalapeno liquid inside the stick. Okay. There's a bit of jalapeno right there. So, so we'll have to go back here real quick. Okay, it may be a situation where they use natural ingredients to the best of their ability and just blended chopped up jalapenos into it. There's another one. It's good. I'm going to give you that one. Sweetwood, it's good. It's just not what I expected in the combination of jalapeno and the stick, the meat stick. I was hoping for, and I probably shouldn't have done that, but I was hoping for a stronger flavor of jalapeno than was offered. But it is good. And oddly enough, I will throw this in there, that it was basically $1.90 for the stick. And look how generous the size was. Mm. And we're going in for the last little bit here. Mm. Alright. Sweetwood Cattle Company, fatty, jalapeno flavor. Good as a meat stack, but not so much with the additional flavor of jalapeno that it really didn't bring forward in the product. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Take care.